A audio-book summary of Narendra Modi, The Man, The Times by Neelanjan Mukhopadhyay. Early life, roots in Vadnagar. Born in 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat, Narendra Modi hailed from a modest OBC Ghanchi family. As a child, he assisted his father at a tea stall near the local railway station. This early exposure to diverse people and conversations likely influenced his communication skills and understanding of grassroots issues. Modi's formative years were marked by a quest for identity and purpose, leading him to explore spirituality and eventually join the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, RSS. Ideological development, association with the RSS. Modi's association with the RSS began in his youth, where he started as a pracharak, full-time worker. The RSS instilled in him values of discipline, nationalism, and organizational skills. His dedication and strategic acumen facilitated his rise within the organization. During the emergency period in India, 1975–77, Modi played a role in underground activities opposing the government's actions, showcasing his commitment to political activism. Political rise, from RSS to BJP leadership. Transitioning from the RSS to the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, Modi's political journey gained momentum. He was instrumental in organizing significant political events, such as L.K. Advani's Rath Yatra in 1990 and Murli Manohar Joshi's Ekta Yatra in 1991–92. His organizational prowess and ability to mobilize support were evident, leading to his appointment as the organizing secretary of the Gujarat BJP. Despite internal party challenges, Modi's strategic maneuvering and alliances propelled him to prominent positions within the party. Tenure as Chief Minister of Gujarat, 2001–2014. Modi became the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2001, following a devastating earthquake and political instability. His tenure was marked by both development initiatives and controversies. 2002 Gujarat riots, a significant and tragic event during his early tenure, the communal riots led to national and international scrutiny. Mukhopadhyay discusses the complexities and criticisms surrounding Modi's role and response during this period. Economic development. Post-2002, Modi focused on economic growth, infrastructure development, and industrialization. Initiatives like the Vibrant Gujarat Summit aim to attract investment and position Gujarat as a business-friendly state. Governance style. Modi emphasized efficiency, technology integration, and a results-oriented approach. His leadership style was often described as authoritative, with a centralized decision-making process. Leadership style, discipline and determination. Modi's leadership is characterized by personal discipline, known for his rigorous routine, frugality, and focus. Modi projects an image of a dedicated public servant. Strategic communication. He effectively uses symbolism, metaphors, and direct messaging to connect with diverse audiences. Authoritative approach. While efficient, his centralized control has drawn criticism for sidelining dissenting voices and limiting collaborative decision-making. Adaptability. Modi's ability to rebrand and reposition himself, especially post-2002, showcases his political acumen and responsiveness to public sentiment. Media strategy. Crafting the Modi persona. Modi's engagement with media and branding has been pivotal. Digital outreach. Among the first Indian politicians to leverage social media extensively, Modi built a direct channel to communicate with the public. Image management. His attire, notably the Modi kurta, and grooming have been subjects of discussion, reflecting a conscious effort to craft a relatable yet authoritative image. Narrative control. By emphasizing development and nationalism, Modi has effectively shaped public discourse, often steering attention towards his governance agenda and away from controversies. Leadership lessons and takeaways. Resilience and self-made success. Modi's journey from a tea seller to a national leader underscores the impact of perseverance and self-belief. Strategic networking. His rise within the RSS and BJP highlights the importance of building alliances and understanding organizational dynamics. Effective communication. Modi's ability to convey messages succinctly and emotionally has been central to his mass appeal. Adaptability. His shift from a hardline image post-2000 to a development-focused leader demonstrates political flexibility. Centralized leadership. While effective in decision-making, this approach emphasizes the need to balance authority with inclusivity. Conclusion. A polarizing yet pivotal figure. Narendra Modi, the man. The Times presents a comprehensive portrait of a leader who evokes strong reactions across the spectrum. Mukhopadhyay offers insights into Modi's personal and political evolution, providing context to his decisions and leadership style. The biography serves as a valuable resource for understanding the complexities of Indian politics and the factors contributing to Modi's ascent on the national stage.